gotta catch up. Yeah, dude. This is awesome. This car is still so quiet. Holy crap. I probably could have gotten the catless downpipe. We're definitely gonna do this again. I think next time we'll probably bring the 9th gen, just because, why not?
What are you shooting for, end of the month?
What was that?
End of the month?
Yeah, we'll do another one either end of October, early November.
Bring out the 9th.
How was your car holding up?
It was struggling, bro. It was definitely struggling. It did struggle like the second round, this last round. I could definitely feel the tires giving out.
It was the tires, yeah. These all seasons are not the best tires at all. You give it like a little bit of heat and it starts squeaking at me.
Yeah, we're up, what, running like maybe small 235s maybe at the most?
235s, yep. So. The 9th gen has 225s. You have 215s, yeah.
Dang, you were leading the pack, bro.
He was leading the pack last time. Yeah, we can take a different route next time. I'll make sure Vivian comes. I might have my Corvette, I don't know. We'll see. Let's do the mini guy. I want to see what the mini guy's like. So this is the Pilot. If you guys don't know who this is, you need to go watch the Halo Infinite trailer for last year. Yeah, last year. Here's the UPC if you guys want to know. Again, I found these at Target. So these are created by Wicked Cool Toys. And it was recently acquired by a company called A Jazzwares Company. So, pretty cool. Apparently, I had never heard of them before until they signed the deal with, you know, Microsoft to have the Halo action figures. Apparently, they have pretty good reputation. It's got a game add-on, which is really cool, and then a little stand here we're gonna put them on. Okay. One thing I have been seeing is that the guns are a little funky. Here we go. Yeah, one thing I have been seeing is that the guns are a little funky, which I can definitely confirm, so please fix those quality control issues. They're very, I think that's like the design, they're very bendy, which, whatever. But yeah, it looks wonky. And here's the pilot himself. What a stud. I don't have a ruler, but he has a 3.75 inch scale. These are the 6.5 inch scale, which these guys are actually stand in at over 7 inches tall. And these guys are 3.75 inches. So there are 3 scales of figures right off the bat, which is really cool. The 12 inch, obviously right here, 6.5 or 7 inch, and then these guys. I'm gonna be really excited to see if they release Elites and Brutes of this scale, because they're gonna be huge. In the Halo universe, Elites and Brutes are, I don't know, they can be as short as 7 and as tall as, geez, I don't know, I think they get over 10 feet for the Brutes. So those guys should be, you know, 8.5, 9 inches on that scale, which is gonna be really cool. I hope they do that. All right, so this guy here, his shoulder, that's as far down as it goes. Okay, so it goes up a couple clicks as far as down as it goes. His elbow articulation is, it's okay, about 90 degrees. His wrist doesn't do much. His knees, actually, whoa, look at that. All right, we're in business, boys. This guy's about to do some crazy shit. Look at his, oh, look at that. Wow. They put more detail into this guy than they did the 12 inch, which actually makes sense, because if you have $10 concentrated into 4 inches, you can put more detail into that. You can put more quality into that, as opposed to $10 into 12 inches. You know, you spread out your money more, so. Actually, you know, that's pretty cool. He's got some decent little detail on him, this guy. I'm guessing he's about 4 inches tall, 3.75, I don't know, somewhere around there. One more thing, I want to see how he holds his gun. I think he holds onto this thing here. He's gonna hold it like a gangster. How about that? His feet are a little off too. You know what? Looks good to me. Oh, look at that. These stands, they look like they're gonna be able to like clip together. That's gonna be really cool. They got something cooking for us, man. They got something cooking for us, brothers. Come on, you son. Rah. That works for me. What do you guys think? I know you guys probably wanted to see the, you know, 6.5 inch Master Chief. Let me know down below how much you enjoyed that. I don't know if you guys want to see like more of my life and personality or not. I'll start putting a little more of this at the end of the videos. Charlie, say goodbye. Oh, we got some zip tie here. Don't eat that, Charlie. Charlie, sit. Hello. Thank you. Can you lay down? Can you roll over? Do you want a cookie? Lay down. Okay, roll over. No. Charlie, lay down. Roll over. Good girl. Let's get a cookie.